Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds SE2 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write AI Live. Now search and you should install this application. Select a region, and I don't recommend to use United States because it can give you some problem. You can't add your device. Sometimes it happens with this region. So then click next, agree, and we did it. Now click at the plus, allow, while using cap, allow. And now we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!